If you own a Samsung Smart TV or a compatible Galaxy device, you already have access to hundreds of free live TV channels without paying for a cable subscription. Samsung TV Plus is a completely free streaming service that offers live news, movies, sports, entertainment, kids programming, and much more. In this guide, I'll show you how to start watching free live TV with Samsung TV Plus in 2026. Let's get started. The first step is to make sure your device supports Samsung TV Plus. The service comes pre-installed on most Samsung smart TVs released in recent years and is also available on selected Samsung Galaxy smartphones and tablets. All you need is a stable internet connection to begin streaming. Next, open the Samsung TV Plus app. On most Samsung TVs, you'll find it directly on the home screen. Simply launch the app and you'll have instant access to hundreds of free live channels. In most cases, you don't even need to create an account to start watching. Once you're inside, you can browse the channel guide. Channels are organized into categories such as news, sports, entertainment, movies, music, lifestyle, kids, documentaries, and more. The exact channel lineup may vary depending on your country, but new channels are added regularly. If you're looking for something specific, use the built-in guide to see what's currently playing or what's coming up next. You can also save favorite channels for quicker access in future viewing sessions. In addition to live TV, many regions also offer free on-demand movies and TV shows. This gives you even more content to enjoy whenever you want, without needing a paid subscription. One of the biggest advantages of Samsung TV Plus is that it's completely free. There are no monthly fees, contracts, or hidden costs. The service is supported by advertisements, so you'll see occasional commercial breaks while watching, similar to traditional television. Samsung TV Plus works seamlessly with Samsung's interface, making it easy to switch between live TV, streaming apps, and other features without leaving your home screen. Keep in mind that channel availability depends on your region. Some channels and on-demand content may only be available in certain countries due to licensing agreements, so your selection may differ from someone in another location. So, is Samsung TV Plus worth using in 2026? Absolutely. If you already own a compatible Samsung device, it's one of the easiest and best ways to enjoy free live television. With hundreds of live channels, growing on-demand content, and no subscription required, Samsung TV Plus offers an excellent entertainment experience at no cost. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us your favorite free live TV service.